In the quaint town of Sweetvale, nestled between chocolate hills and licorice forests, three best friends, Dion, Fiona, and Evans, were known for their playful antics. One day, as they strolled through town, they noticed a poster announcing the Great Marshmallow Festival. The festival was a celebration filled with marshmallow games, contests, and most importantly, the legendary Giant Marshmallow Tower. Imagine tasting the biggest marshmallow ever, Dion exclaimed, his eyes gleaming. But it's for the contest winners, Fiona reminded him. Evans, the mischievous one, hatched a plan. What if we borrowed a piece of the tower before the contest? Just a tiny taste. Fiona hesitated, but was swept up in her friend's excitement. That night, armed with sticky fingers and a ladder, the trio crept toward the glowing marshmallow tower. The tower stood tall in the town square, guarded by the Candy Council. Dion whispered, "Evans, are you sure about this?" "Positive," Evans replied. "We'll be quick." As they reached the top of the ladder, Evans stretched out to grab a piece of the marshmallow. But as soon as he pulled, the entire tower wobbled, and with a loud plop, marshmallows tumbled everywhere. The noise woke the entire town. People rushed out of their homes, gasping at the marshmallow mess. Mayor Poppy, a stern but kind-hearted gummy bear, marched toward the trio. "Who is responsible for this marshmallow mayhem?" she demanded. Dion, Fiona, and Evans looked at each other, guilt written all over their faces. Finally, Fiona stepped forward. "It was us, Mayor Poppy. We just wanted to taste the marshmallow, but we shouldn't have." The mayor sighed. "Cleaning this up won't be easy, but since you've admitted your mistake, I'll give you a chance to make things right." The trio worked tirelessly the next day, rebuilding the tower with the help of their neighbors. They melted marshmallows, stacked them carefully, and even added sprinkles for extra flair. By evening, the tower looked more dazzling than before. At the festival, Mayor Poppy announced, "Thanks to Dion, Fiona, and Evans, the Giant Marshmallow Tower is ready." They learned an important lesson about honesty and responsibility. The crowd cheered, and the trio felt a warm glow, not just from the marshmallows, but from knowing they had made amends. To their surprise, Mayor Poppy handed them the first taste of the tower as a reward. As they savored the gooey marshmallows, Evans grinned. "Next time, let's just ask for a taste." Fiona laughed. "Agreed. No more marshmallow mischief for us." And from that day on, the Great Marshmallow Festival became sweeter than ever, thanks to three friends who learned the value of honesty and teamwork.